Okay, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan. So, here I am again, Jerry Loren here. So, I would like to share again another video of my firing experience. And this time, I will be using the 9mm and 45mm caliber. So, hoping that you will watch this video until the end, guys. And stay tuned. Watch out for the next video. Boom!
Sunod-sunod yan ah. Bubog, bubog. Okay. Firing. Firing. Sunod, sunod, sunod. Iba, Jer. Iba, Jer. Iba konti.
Open bolt.
Open bolt.
So this time I will be using the 45mm 45 caliber pistol, and for the next video I will going to show you the continuous firing using the 45mm caliber pistol. So doing that, and hoping that you still enjoying watching this video, and hoping that you will watch this until the end. Okay, thank you, and God bless us all. Mabuhay! Boom! Okay, here we go, guys. So this is the target board, and we are just so lucky that we're able to get a good score for this one. And if you're just new in my channel, please watch the video after this so that you have an idea what is our channel all about. Thank you, and mabuhay!
Yeah. It's another one.
Baby boy.
Hey!
Mabuhay!
Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bells for more video updates. Thank you!